Hello everyone, in today's video, me and my team members would like to present about indoor air quality management. Before we begin, here are the table of contents needed in today's presentation. We will be stating the need for sustainable water and wastewater management practices, the impact of poor indoor environment, preventive program, energy conservation concept, along with structure and conclusion. Hello everyone, in today's video, me and my team members would like to present about indoor air quality management. Before we begin, here are the table of contents needed in today's presentation. Where we will be stating the need for sustainable water and waterways management practices, the impact of poor indoor environment, preventive program, energy conservation concept, along with structure and conclusion. The need for sustainable water and wastewater management. What is it? Let me break it down to you. It's where sustainable water have the ability meeting the water needs with no compromising of the next generation to repeat it. There are three characteristics. First, water conservation is to minimize water waste through various ways. Next, eco-friendly infrastructure is implement natural systems like wetlands or green roof. Last, wastewater recycling is where we treat and reuse wastewater. Moving on, where does wastewater comes from? Here are 5 sources of wastewater. First is households like sinks, showers, and etc. Second, industries comes from manufacturing and processing. Third, which is stormwater as it carries pollution from streets and land. 4 is agriculture, that is from fields where contains animal waste and fertilizers. Last, commercial establishment like hotels and resorts. Next are the impacts of sustainable water and wastewater, as it impacts on health, causes us to catch various diseases like cholera. Other than that, also impacts on marine environment, where wastewater pollution harms marine life. Next, also has impacts on water resources, as overuse and polluted freshwater supply. And lastly, income losses both resort and hotel. So, how to manage it? Here are some ways, as we can save water by fixing leaks, use rainwater for plants, reuse grey water from sinks for irrigation, as well as service maintenance and no smart watering. For wastewater, we can treat it by recycling for plants, use natural treatment, then water quality check to meet up standards, and don't forget to maintain septic systems and using eco-friendly products.
So now the impact of poor indoor environment. Okay, so what is poor indoor environment? It can be defined as internal conditions that negatively impact the comfort, health, and productivity of individuals in an indoor space. Now we have health impact. It can contribute to a range of conditions such as respiratory issues, allergies, headaches, and fatigue. Lack of air circulation, inadequate lighting, and excessive noise can worsen these conditions. And we have environmental impact. So from an environmental perspective, a poor indoor environment can lead to increased energy consumption, resulting in higher carbon emissions and environmental degradation. Yeah. And then we have the preventive maintenance program. What is it? It is a systematic approach that involves regular inspection, servicing, and maintenance of equipment to prevent breakdowns and minimizing downtime. So, preventive maintenance is a planned maintenance regime that focuses on regularly inspecting, servicing, and maintaining plant equipment before a fault occurs, with the primary aim of preventing equipment breakdowns and reducing downtime. By doing so, it ensures smooth operations and avoid costly repairs.
concept of energy conservation in resort. What is energy conservation in resort? Energy conservation in resort operations is essential for reducing environmental impact, lowering operation costs, and enhancing guest experience. Involved implementing practice and technologies that minimize energy consumption while maintaining comfort and quality. Heat, cooling, and ventilation automatic control. Heating control automatically adjusts the heat source. Example, furnace or boiler. Use a thermostat to sense room temperature and turn on or off heating to maintain a cooling control. Regulate cooling system. Example, air conditioner. The thermostat senses room temperature and active cooling when it goes above the desired temperature. Ventilation control manage airflow by automatically controlling fan or air vents. Sensor monitor air quality and humidity, adjust ventilation to maintain the fresh air circulation and proper humidity. Way to decrease heating and cooling load. Insulation. Use high-quality insulation to minimize heat loss and gain. Window treatment. Install energy-efficient window and external shading device. Energy-efficient design. Orient building for natural light and ventilation. Use thermal mass material. Heat recovery ventilation. Reuse heat from exhaust air to warm incoming fresh air. Air sealing. Seal gap around the window, door, and dash to prevent air leak. Efficient light. Use LED light to reduce heat output and energy consumption. Renewable energy. Incorporate solar panel or geothermal system to reduce energy demand.
As for our structure question, we choose Nexus Resort and Spa Karambunai. It is located on the scenic coast of the state of Sabah on the island of Borneo, Malaysia. The services offered at Nexus Resort and Spa Karambunai include luxury accommodations, fine dining options, a variety of recreational activities such as swimming, sports, water sports, a beachfront location, a full-service spa, meeting and event facilities. The organizational structure for Nexus Resort and Spa Karambunai would typically include a management team at the top led by a general manager (GM), followed by department heads such as the Director of Sales and Marketing, Director of Food and Beverage, Director of Finance, Director of Spa and Fitness, and Director of Engineering and Maintenance. There will also be supervisors and managers for each department, overseeing various aspects of operations. The mission of Nexus Resort and Spa Karambunai is often enlightened with providing a luxurious and memorable experience to guests through exceptional service, world-class amenities, and personalized attention. Their vision likely focuses on continuously improving and evolving to exceed guest expectations while maintaining the resort's reputation as a premier destination for discerning travelers. Then, at Nexus Resort and Spa Karambunai, guests can enjoy a multitude of recreational activities such as swimming, water sports, beach games, cultural tours, nature walks, fitness classes, and various outdoor adventures.
Third, to increase demand. Nexus Resort and Spa Karambunai could apply various marketing strategies such as leveraging collaborations with travel bloggers and influencers, offering limited time promotions and packages, optimizing their online presence through SEO and social media, and participating in relevant travel and hospitality trade shows. Fourth, Nexus Resort and Spa Karamunai likely implements eco-friendly practices such as conserving water through low-flow fixtures, reducing energy consumption through efficient lighting and appliances, minimizing wastage with a comprehensive recycling program, supporting local sourcing and eco-friendly food options, and engaging in sustainability initiatives such as coastal cleanups and coral plantation programs. Overall, we now know that indoor air quality management is important as it ensures the air inside a building is clean, fresh, and safe to breathe. By controlling the ventilation, humidity, and pollutants, we can manage these factors and build a safe, comfortable, and healthy environment and avoid disease and risks around people and ourselves. That's all for today's presentation. Thanks for watching.